Tonight, we find ourselves in the world habitat of the modern human, where the pursuit of a mate takes center stage. Enter the male. Notice the swagger in his step, a clear indication of his intentions. As the night progresses, we witness an extraordinary display of seduction in the form of dance. Misjudging the rhythm could result in failure. A truly remarkable display of charm. This male has successfully won over a partner through the art of dance. And as the night wanes out, these remarkable displays will continue, leaving us with a lasting reminder of the lengths we do to get it done.